One, we say we need to inspire one another as the days draw nearer. The students themselves, as a university church, they are unique university churches. First of all, we have to appreciate that we are unique university churches. We need to intensify interactions as university churches. Like we have common rallies, like common weekend challenges, rallies, music extravaganzas between even interversities. So that all those excellence, because I know in the university, we are striving for excellence, not settling for good when better is available and best is achievable. So that we organize such events. I know we have been doing very well in the fronts of missions, but we need also to intensify activities which are in-reach oriented. Intervarsity rallies, music extravaganzas between intervarsities, nationally and regionally. In addition to that, we also need to interact even globally, regionally, like the retreats. Like for instance, this year, there is the East Central Africa Division Universities retreat at the University of Dar es Salaam between December 22nd to 26th, after which we are going to have the Adventist alumni of colleges and universities retreat at the Adventist University of Central Africa in Rwanda. So we have a variety. All these activities, both outreach, as we do mission work outreach, we should not neglect the in-reach. Things which build us spiritually and even socially and even all other facets of growth as a person holistically.